Hey everyone, today I want to share with you how I keep track and how I keep the original copies of all of my data sheets organized, really. So I'm very paper pencil when it comes to all things data sheets, whether that's service provider login sheets, inclusion documentation sheets, different data sheets for IEP goals, different IEP meeting stuff, anything IEP related. I like to have original copies of things printed out. I like to not to have to log into my computer, print something, make sure that the printer has ink or that the printer has paper. I like to have my original files already on me so that if I need to just go make a copy, I can go do that. Or typically I always have the copies handy, ready to just grab another one. So I want to share today with you how I do this, and it just makes my life so much easier and I'm more sane when it comes to having to grab data sheets at the last minute to send off with paras or to use myself. So what I do is I typically grab a binder, so 1 inch or 1/2 inch is usually where I start. And then if I need to, I will migrate into like a larger 1.5 to 2 inch binder. I've been there. So when it comes to grabbing different things, all you need is a binder and page protection sheets, that's it. And then the copies of your favorite data sheets and the things that you use all of the time. So let me show you. So here we have this binder. This binder is for my own self. It is all of the different data sheets and different things inside of the Intentional IEP membership that you can download inside of the members resources area. So what I do and what I've done in the classroom is all of the data sheets that I need, any handouts that I might give to paras, to parents, anything like that, I have a page protector sheet for each one. I don't have them in any specific order, so every time I do need it, I do have to flip through the binder, but I know exactly where it is every single time. It is in this copies folder of my original copies. So what I'm gonna do, or what I would do, is I would have the original file here, and I would have multiple copies of this. So if I were gonna hand this out to parents, I would have like maybe 10 copies of it, or enough for all of my students on my caseload. And then whenever needed, right before an IEP meeting, or if I'm taking it with, I would just pull a copy out, and I would be able to hand that off to a parent, or to a para, or to a general education teacher, whoever needed it. Service sign-ins, prompting hierarchies, weekly planning sheets. Now these would be for me, maybe if I'm long-range planning with the para or long-range planning with the general education teacher, I could just pull one of these out quick to use. You have your quarterly tracking calendars. You also have yearly tracking calendars, data shortcuts. But again, everything that I need, its own, each sheet gets its own, what are these called? Plastic sleeves. Each sheet gets its own plastic sleeve, and I just keep them in a binder, and whenever I need something, I just flip through. Oh, I need an IEP input sticker. That's what I need, a survey sticker. So I can pull this out, peel one off, stick it back into its page protector, and I know that they're always there. I always have extra copies ready to go whenever I need it. And then if needed, when I know that something needs a copy, I can simply just take this out and then go make a copy on my planning, or if I'm staying later coming early, or if the para is making copies, you could have them make copies for you. I hope that this was super helpful for you. Again, it's something really simple that really streamlines having all of your data sheets and everything ready to go if you're very paper pencil like me. For all things IEPs, whether you're a teacher, a service provider, or a parent, make sure that you're following the Intentional IEP for more advice, tips, and tricks on all things IEPs. I'll see you guys in the next video.